All right, hey, I'm Ramsey. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Uptrends.ai. We are a news monitoring platform for everyday retail investors. And today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to set news alerts on the Uptrends.ai platform. So what you're seeing here on your screen is our Uptrends trending page. This shows what stocks are being talked about, the overall sentiment of market conversation. And from here, to set an alert for any stock, sector, or topic, you can simply navigate to any page and click Create Alert. So let's start by either selecting a stock from the hot stocks section here, or we can also access that from the search bar. I'm going to type in Amazon as our example, and we'll start by visiting the Amazon company sentiment page. So this is Amazon's page. You can see some information about the stock's current market conversation. To set an alert, it's as simple as going up here in the top right hand corner, clicking the Create Alert button, and then selecting from your type of news alert. There are two types of alerts. You can be alerted for a sentiment change with Amazon's online conversation. So if conversation goes from highly positive on average to highly negative on average over a 24-hour window, or vice versa, you'll receive a notification via email letting you know that that happened. There's also a mention surge alert, which is exactly as you'd expect it to be. You get an alert if the conversation volume, the number of mentions of Amazon online, surges significantly over a 24-hour window. So you can select either of these alerts. You click whichever one you'd like to set, click Continue. You can create a name for your alert. So I'll do Amazon Test Alert number 1 just to be safe here. And then I'll click Create Alert. And then from there, the alert has been set. You'll receive an email notification if that alert triggers, and you'll be on your way. So to see all of the alerts you've set, you can click over here in the side nav, the alerts page. This shows you all of the alerts that you have currently set. And from here, you can actively delete them or change them. On a basic Uptrend subscription, you can set up to 2 alerts at a time. On a premium or pro subscription, you can set any number of alerts that you'd like. And so that is the quick and easy rundown of how to set an alert. Once it triggers, an example here, you'll receive a notification via email that looks like this, containing information about the stock that was alerted for, the type of information that it was alerted because of, and some triggering information. You can then click the link to go back to the trending page for that company. So that is the quick and dirty rundown of how to set alerts on the Uptrends.ai news sentiment platform. We hope you enjoy it, and thank you.